I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start now by confirming the watch battery and that the display is on. This prevents interruptions. Next, locate the mode and adjust buttons, mode cycles functions, adjust open settings. Press mode until the main time screen shows, then press and hold adjust for 2 to 3 seconds until the seconds begin flashing. Once done, you're in time set mode and ready to change specific fields. Make sure the seconds are reset to 0 if needed before adjusting hours. Now you'll adjust the actual numbers. Press mode to move from seconds to hours, then to minutes, and finally to the 12/24-hour format option. Use the start/stop or reset buttons to increment or decrement the value. Hold the button for faster changes. If you select 12-hour mode, confirm AM or PM as you change hours. This prevents a 12-hour offset. Make sure minutes and seconds are accurate to your reference time, and remember why you chose. Finish by pressing adjust once to save all changes and exit set mode. The watch should resume normal display immediately. You should verify the updated time for at least 1 minute to confirm seconds and minutes advance correctly. If the watch reverts or won't save, replace the battery first, then retry the procedure. If that fails, perform a factory reset or reset internal contacts. If problems continue, note it's likely a hardware fault and consider professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.